This is the Morakniv Kansbol, a knife that stands right in the middle of the Morakniv product range, just above the entry-level models and just below the larger Garberg. What makes it special is the mix of features that make it an excellent all-round outdoor performer for a very reasonable price. With roots in more than a century of Swedish knife making, this model brings together traditional design and modern production to give you a tool that performs well on almost any outdoor task. Morakniv is a family-run Swedish company with over 100 years of experience. They blend classic Scandinavian puukko styling with today's modern production methods. You can see that heritage in the Kansbol shape, which displays those old-world knife design lines but adds new practical twists and tweaks using modern materials. The Kansbol's blade is a true hybrid between a bushcraft knife and a more utilitarian blade. The thickest part near the handle, at 2.5 mm, is strong enough for light-duty woodworking or firemaking. The front half tapers down to just 1 mm and turns into a very sharp, Scandi-like V-edge. This is perfect for delicate tasks like preparing food or carving fine details. It can split kindling one moment and prepare your outdoor stew dinner the next. The Kansbol sports a stainless steel that Morakniv uses for its balanced performance. The steel is called Sandvik 12C27, a steel known for good corrosion resistance and the ability to hold an edge relatively well. It also lets you resharpen it easily in the field, making it a solid choice for both hobbyists and professionals. What sets the Kansbol apart is its compound grind. The rear section is a classic Scandi grind, ideal for controlled woodwork and betoning. The front section transforms into a V-shaped edge that behaves a bit like a modified hollow grind. This gives the Kansbol extra slicing power and precision toward the tip. The blend of grinds makes the Kansbol extremely versatile for coarse jobs as well as more detailed work. The spine of the blade is sharp and flat, designed intentionally for use with a Firesteel or ferro rod. In a survival situation, you can strike sparks or scrape small wood shavings and tree bark for tinder. It's a simple feature, but it can mean the difference between a quick campfire and a long night in the cold. The cylindrical handle is made from a tough polymer with a soft, non-slip finish. Its rounded shape fits comfortably in any hand, even with gloves on. A lanyard hole at the end lets you add a cord for more security or extra grip space. The material stands up to rain, mud, and snow, so you can keep working even in wet and harsh conditions. The Kansbol comes with a symmetrical polymer sheath by default, so you can wear it on either side. You can also choose a version with a multi-mount system to attach it to molle gear or backpack straps. For bushcraft-related trips and adventures, there's a survival kit option that clips onto the sheath, including a diamond sharpener and a Firesteel ferro rod. If you already have a Kansbol in your loadout, you can buy the mount, belt loop, or kit separately to customize your setup even further. The Morakniv Kansbol pairs Scandinavian practical design with today's materials and production techniques. It offers all-round utility at an entry-level price, making it one of the best value outdoor knives money can buy. Lightweight, versatile, and built to last. The Kansbol is a must-have tool for anyone who likes to spend time outside or just needs a reliable blade at home. Ready to see what the Morakniv Kansbol can do for you? Head over to knivesandtools.com and grab yours today.